thank you so much for hosting today's evening and for being the great Pakistani American leader that you are. Like you said, Adiba, thank you so much. It's not a small thing, opening your home to so many people, organizing these events. I know it's not tough. We do that in our official capacity, and I really appreciate that. So, back to Dr. Saab. I had heard a lot of good things about you when I joined as Consul General, how you were always there for the community whenever your services were required. But in the 4 years that I have come to know you, I do not have the words to describe the multi-talented personality that you are. Your friends and members of the board of APPAC and other dignitaries have spoken about your personality, your talent. But the chairman, Ijaz Ahmed Saab, I really want to congratulate you for everything that APPAC has achieved in the very short period of time that it has, emerged on the scene. Your personal leadership, I think, has been the real change, which has enabled this organization, very important organization for us, because historically, Pakistani American community, and I would use the past tense for this, हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा politically active नहीं थे. But since you took over, and because of your dynamic leadership, we see so many great things that have happened in the last 4 years. Thank you. Let me begin by thanking you for your leadership during COVID-19, not only for Pakistan, for which he was recognized by the Foreign Minister of Pakistan and placed on the honors list. But also everything that you did for the different communities here, not only Pakistani Americans, but the different communities. I want to thank each and every member of APPAC, as well as board members and all others who are here. Thank you so much for representing the office of Suffolk County District Attorney. Thank you for the citation that you brought. So coming back to APPAC, looking at our size, looking at your, the important things that you do, your affluence, your ability to work beyond hours. Pakistanis are, I think, one of the most intelligent people. Wherever they go, they make a special place for themselves, especially our physicians, alhamdulillah, have done extremely, extremely well. The way you network and also encourage young Pakistani physicians in so many different ways. I'm very, very grateful to you for that. You do it with a sense of purpose and a sense of commitment. I think that is what actually makes the difference. So as long as you're dedicated, you're committed, you are working hard, I think your endeavors are appreciated. And more than appreciation, you're able to help people and to extend the kind of service that they not only demand, but also deserve. Several new initiatives have been undertaken in the last 4 years. I will not take the credit for everything good that has happened. There have been several policy level changes from the two governments that I have served in the last 4 years for the betterment, for improving the consular services for our community. So policy making is the job of the government. Implementation of that policy is the job of the civil servants, and that's what we do. हमारे लोग सिर्फ पाकिस्तान के लिए या अपनी कम्युनिटी के लिए काम नहीं कर रहे, बल्कि इनकी सोच जो है बहुत दूर तक जाती है. I am just so humbled by this unique, very, very unique experience that I've had in the course of the 4 years that I've had the honor of serving the most vibrant community anywhere in the world. I will continue to pray for your success as I move to join my next assignment. But all of you, you now have a home in Prague, and I've heard great things about it from all of you. तो बहुत शुक्रिया आपका, इसी तरह खुश रहिए. My prayers, my best wishes. Thank you, Pervaiz Saab. Thank you, Dr. Ijaz, for today's beautiful evening. Adiba, very humble.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.